Hi guys.
Hi,
Uh,
sir.
Hi. So yesterday we have discussed about the what is the audit. So why audit is required for IT organizations and all the if any business has started any or it's a startup, why audit is required. We have discussed about the all the things. So who have joined for this section, guys? Who is the new today?
Jagadish.
Okay. Okay, Jagdish. Can you briefly introduce yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
My name is G. Jagadish. I am from Kannur City of Andhra Pradesh. I did a CA inter, sir. I am pursuing CA final.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Ram, Ram, can you unmute yourself and you can speak?
Hello,
Yes, yes.
good evening. Sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, my name is Ram Kumar. I am from Hyderabad. I have
Okay.
completed my Bachelor of Business Administration in HR 2022 pass out.
Okay. Shilpa? Okay. So let's start the section. So basically in yesterday's class, guys, so we have discussed about so what is a audit? So why audit is required for the IT organization, and one real-time scenario example we have discussed about the one business for the IT organization. Okay, so if you guys are having any generic doubts, so let us discuss all the doubts what we are having today. Okay, files or anything.
Hi Roshan, this is Leela.
Yes.
Roshan, actually, I'm from Java background. Is it suitable for me?
Sorry.
Actually, I am from Java background as I
Okay.
worked in as a Java developer in
Okay.
Capgemini.
Okay.
So now it is ITGC is suitable for me.
Yes. Why it is not suitable for you? As you
I,
are
do- I
working as in the as you are working in the IT organization, okay, in one of the MNC.
uh,
So as how the application need to change in any code in the application, what is the process to change? All the things you will be knowing, right?
yes,
So the same thing in the ITGC or in the audit, we will discuss the same thing. There is no any different course you are learning here. Okay. So the basically in the one term, what the audit we can say it means what the other people will be doing. If the organization they kept for some policies and the process, they are following not we need to check as a auditors. That is our job role here. Suppose you told that I am a Java developer. While you in the Java developer, if you need to change the code in any application, you need to change the ticket. You need to raise the ticket first of all.
yes,
Okay. After the raising the ticket, in the ticket you need to mention the description and you need to take the cab approvals and all the things. Those things are happening or not. As a auditors, we will be checking all the processes for that organization, what they have implemented. This is the audit role.
yes. So Roshan, actually, I
Not
have
only who have
total
all joined here, it will be yes.
okay. And in this, I have 4 years of experience with the
Okay.
designation as associate consultant.
Uh, Fine. See, as an
So
auditor in the audit companies or in any company, they will give they will not give the audit roles. Okay. it might be the associate, it might be the consultant, it might be the analyst. See, the designation is based upon their organizations. We will see the designations. Okay, so it's not based on their what the projects you are working for. The few technologies they will be using their designations. For other technologies, if they are using as a consultant role, they can use for the audit role or they can use for any other projects also.
Okay. Okay. Shall I go with the same document or else I need to?
No, you can go with the same document what you are currently handling. Don't change anything. Okay, so as based on your experience, you can say the relevant experience is out of 4 years for the audit 2.5, and the remaining
Okay.
1.5 I have worked on the other projects.
Okay.
హలో
Okay.
Yes, Ram.
ఫ్రెషర్స్ కి ఎలా ఉంటుంది సార్?
Hello.
ఫ్రెషర్స్ కి జాబ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది?
Okay. So Ram, like you are asking for the
ఫ్రెషర్.
your graduation is 2022.
యా.
Okay, so for the freshers also job will be the good only. Okay, see, when you have opened the Naukari, you can see from the starting like 0 to 5 years might be the intern. You can go as an intern also. If you have joined in the VLR training institute, we have the few contacts for the interns. Okay,
ఓకే.
so they will directly recruit you and they will give the placement in one company. So they will not charge anything for that. As an intern, you will be selecting and they will, it is a part of their company.
ఓకే. అంటే ఇది ఫ్రెషర్స్ కి నేర్చుకోగలిగి జాబ్ చేయేంత
Sorry.
చేసే ఫ్రెషర్స్ నేర్చుకొని జాబ్ చేసే అంత ఉంటుందా సార్ ఇది? అంటే కోడింగ్ కన్నా రిస్క్ ఏమి ఉండదు కదా అని.
See, and the one main thing for all members here, there is no any coding. We will not use any tool or any applications. Here, there is no any code we will be using.
సరే, ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉంటుంది సార్ అది కోర్స్?
The course will be the 45
45 డేస్.
45 days we will be closing. So like it might be that it will be taking like 40 to 45 days in between. Okay. So this course duration is 45 days.
ఒకవేళ ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ వస్తే జాబ్ వచ్చినాక ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా? అంటే
Yes, obviously, when you have joined in the institute, you will be having my contact number. You can ping me in WhatsApp. When I will be free, I will be calling you directly. Okay,
ఓకే.
so we will be in the connecting with by 24/7. Okay, so there is no live class like this with only for 1 hour. You will be listening the section. After the section, there will be the doubts class. Not like that. If you need to clarify anything in the offlines before the class also, you can ping me in the WhatsApp. I will check your message. In my free time, I will respond to your message.
అంటే ఈ క్లాసెస్ రికార్డెడ్, మళ్ళీ రికార్డ్ అయిన క్లాస్ మళ్ళీ మాకు పంపిస్తారా ఎట్లా సార్?
Yes, the class is a lifetime access, and we will provide the materials also from the starting to ending onwards.
అంటే ఇది జస్ట్ ఇది నేర్చుకున్నాక ఇంగ్లీష్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉండాలి, కమ్యూనికేషన్.
Yes, the communication is not perfect. Like we need to manage. See, in every IT organization, when you are doing the job, the communication is the main thing. If you have communication and the good skills, you can do any work. Without the communication, we can't do anything. If you learn the technology also.
ఓకే.
Hi Rahul, good day. This is Rahul.
Yes, good evening, Rahul.
Yeah, I have been working in some ex company for the past 2.5 years. So my role is I'm from totally from non-technical background, but my role is mentioned as senior technical support, senior associate technical support. Will that be a problem?
No, no problem, Rahul.
Okay, how much hike can I expect? Now my pay scale is under 4.5. How much hike can I expect if I?
Currently, you are having of the 4.5 hike, right? So
Yes,
we
yes,
can,
with
yes,
2.5 years of experience.
yes. So you can get approximately between 7 to 10. It might be
Okay,
the your
in on and
performance
above
based on if your
6.5,
interview. Yes, on and above,
yes,
I will give the surety
6.
100%. On and above, you will give the 6.5, and in between the 10.
Okay, thanks for that. And will there be any practical classes or like how the practical work will be in the office and all? Can you show us in the coming days when the course commences? Hello.
Yes, yes, Rahul. Yes, we will be having the practical sections. The first, we will be going to the theoretical. After that, we will be moving to the practical sections.
Uh,
హలో
okay, so
యా
the basic
Yes, yes, Rahul.
requirements for this job will be only excellent communication, right?
Yes,
Okay. Thank you so much.
హలో
yes, ma'am.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు నాది 2022 పాస్ అవుట్ కదా.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు ఏమన్నా ఫేక్ పెట్టి జాయిన్ కావచ్చా, లేకపోతే డైరెక్ట్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ లాగా జాయిన్ అయితే బెస్ట్?
1 second, Rahul. Yes, Ram. Yes, you are asking something.
ఇప్పుడు నాది 2 years 2022 పాస్ అవుట్ కదా సార్, నాది బ్యాచిలర్స్. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రెషర్స్ గా జాయిన్ అయితే బెస్టా, లేకపోతే ఫేక్ పెట్టి జాయిన్ అయితే బెస్టా అని అడుగుతున్నాను.
See, if you have keep so based upon your salary, I will be getting increased. Okay, that is a one thing. Suppose you are saying that I am the 2022 pass out. You can keep the 2 years experience and you can enter into this field. Suppose from 2022 May to 23 May, it's a 1 year. And for this 1.5 year, as for this May, it will become the 2 years. So if you keep the experience, you will get the more package. So you can manage. So like comparing to the other technologies, when you're keeping any fake experience, how it will be there means like they the guys who are keeping working in the organizations, they will suffer. For this technology, we can understand the basic things. It is a basic things. Okay. The ones when we have listened and the when we have worked in the practical, we will get all the things. There is no any difficult situations we will be facing here. My suggestion is better to go by the fake. Okay. It's up to you. Like what the choose point from your side. What's your confidence level? Okay. So here, what the training, what we are giving here, it is a up to limit of the 12 to 13 years of experience people can also manage from this training.
ఓకే
Based upon your
సార్
confidence, you are ready to keep it support you.
సార్ నాది ఒక డౌట్ మళ్ళీ. ఇప్పుడు దీంట్లో విఎల్ఆర్ ట్రైనింగ్ లో జాయిన్ అయినాక ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ఇప్పిస్తున్నారు కదా.
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు చార్జెస్ ఎక్కువ మళ్ళీ ఏమైనా కట్టాలా, లేకపోతే ఫీజులని యాడ్ అయ్యి ఉంటుందా సార్?
See, the internship is it is a different thing. Okay. If there are openings, they will choose for the internships. As we are having the few connections with the other internship, like other companies, when they have vacancies, they will recruit you people.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Any other doubts, guys? Miti, Umesh, Kiran. I think Kiran, you did not join yesterday's session, right?
No, sir. Today I'm joined.
Okay. So can I know your brief experience from your side?
Yeah. So my name is Kiran. Sir, I am from Kadapa district. I have completed my BSc graduation in 2019. HP University. That's all.
Okay. So from the yesterday section, we have discussed for the yesterday's we have discussed one business scenario, one example it is a manufacturing industry, and another one is the startup company of the IT, how it will works. Okay. From the previous section, Ram, so you can connect with the institute person for the price. So they will let you know about the course price.
Okay, sir.
So from here, what is a business, guys? So from the yesterday section, Vidhi, Umesh, Leela, Geetesh. So what you have understood, guys?
Sorry, sir, didn't get the question.
So yesterday we have discussed about the one business, right? On the business of the real-time scenario, right?
Yes,
How
correct.
the startup company will works, how why we need to do the audit.
Hmm.
You have understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I need the answer from your side. What do you have understood?
Yeah. So we need audit to prevent the fraudulent activities and for the better management for the larger organizations.
Hello.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, now you are audible.
Yeah, to prevent the fraudulent activities which can happen in the business in a small or large organizations.
Okay. So the next part is, guys, so as we have discussed yesterday, there will be the two types of auditors. One is the internal auditor and the external auditor. So here, what is the internal auditor and the external auditor? Why they are required? Okay. We will discuss the one failure case of the scenario of the Satyam computers. How many people know about the Satyam computers, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, I know.
Yes, I know, sir.
So actually their business on these IT sites, it is running very good. Okay. And all the thing. So what they have did means they have generated the fake employees and the fake experiences. Okay. This organization is in the stock market. When they have published into the stock market, the people who are investing shares in this company, they will see the first time for this year 23 to 24 financial, when they have invested, the growth value it is increased for the 8%. When the growth value is increasing for the 8% for this year, they are financial year 24 to 25, the same financial thing is getting increased, and what the shares they have taken, it is getting there into the profit. After the 3 to 4 years, the same is happening. And after the 6th and the 7th year, what happened means they have shown the loss. Okay, so they have shown the loss. Our organization is purely corrupted with the loss. It went for the minus. We don't have any projects. What the resources or the employees we are maintaining, they are terminating monthly based upon a 2000 to 3000 employees per month. They are terminating. Okay, so like this, if any public people they are investing in any private company, they need to the trust. How the trust they need what they want, how they can trust. So that's why here audit for the IT organization it's made compulsory for every IT organization who is working. If they are managing with their procedures, what they have implemented, they need to test it. The audit team organization, they will do the testing. So for that, auditors are required. In the audit and the external auditor. As usually we have discussed yesterday for the external auditor, they are from the big four companies and they will be having the specifically designations like certified public accountants and the CA people. They will deal with the financial things and they will deal with these data things and IT things. They will deal with all the things of the financial process of their organizations. So those people will be in the external, they will be calling it as a external auditors. And who are the internal auditor guys? Internal auditors is nothing but we are the internal auditors. Suppose when we have completed our course, we can say we are the internal auditors. If you have worked in the big four company also, we will be the internal auditor only. For the external auditor, there will be the different designations based on your experience and based on your certifications, what you have did. They will check all the things. Okay, here internal auditor, what is the job role responsibility and the external auditor job role responsibility. Suppose take the two companies, one is a Wipro and another one is a Infosys. So Infosys people will be doing the internal audit for the Wipro. Okay, the internal audit team from the Infosys, they will go to the Wipro team and they will check all their processes and all the things. Those people will be calling as a internal auditors. Who are the external auditors? For the every year, we need to take the certificate and we need to submit to the government. Okay, so these external auditors will be coming for every year. What we have did and what we have checked all the controls and all the processes, they will take our work papers, what we have worked, what we have tested, they will check. They will review our things and after that, if they required any more things also, they will directly do the audit. But these external auditor people, they will be having with the high management connectivity. They will not be having the low management connectivity up to the top level in the organization. Like it might be the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, or organization head. They will be having directly to the top level access to them. For the internal auditors, between two middle level, they will be having the access. But in these external auditor people, if the team is not supporting to them, or if the organization or if any people is not supporting to them, they have a right to escalate for anything. If they have asked anything also as an auditor, when we are asking something from their side, they need to submit. They should not say no. If they say no, it will come as a mistake. Okay. The report what we are preparing and we will be showing to the, when we are showing to the management, it will be business loss for their organization. So this is the basic scenarios of the IT organization, why audit is required, why there are the two auditors, one is internal auditor and the external auditor. From these two, you're having any doubts, guys?
Yes, sir. I have one doubt.
Yes.
Suppose Wipro is the company and Big Four is the any Big Four, like so EY is the auditor.
Yes, yes.
So EY goes to Wipro and does the audit. So it will be considered as external auditor or internal auditor, or when any body like from ISO or ISACA, somebody is designated, did the certification, they are going from EY to Wipro and doing the certification, then it will be called external auditor. Like uh, uh, the
See,
same company can do
uh,
be the both internal and
yes,
external for the Wipro.
yes. The same company can be the both internal like we will be saying it as a SOX audit. Okay. When you have refer for the SOX, ITGC or the SOX, they will be the three fields you will be getting. One is ITGC, one is IT audit, and the other one is a SOX audit. If the people they have said SOX audit, we have worked for the SOX audit. What SOX audit people will do means they will not go into the more deeper level. Okay. It might be the if there are like 200 to 300 applications, they will check only the financial applications. It is from the only the 50 applications they will take as for the audit period, and they will audit. But this external auditor people, what they will do means they will straightforwardly in every organization there are the so many departments. They will go to the each department and they will finalize and they will listen the things how the process is working. They will categorize the important for that application. They will scope for that. So when they are doing the scoping, they will check all the things. Like internal auditors, it is for the specific. You need to test this. We have given that. That's the thing you need to ask evidence for this only. But for the external auditor, when he is asking something, we need to give what he is asking.
Okay, so how to differentiate, like how company differentiate between internal and external auditor, in terms of like whom to give the external audit and whom to give the internal audit, if they are coming from the same company.
No, the same company will not take the internal and the external auditors.
Okay.
The first why they will not take means there will be the budget preference for the auditors. See, for the external auditors, if they need to do the audit for the organization, for the each project, they will charge the on crores. Their billing will be on the crores. It's not on the lakhs. Suppose
Okay.
if the project is for the 3 to 4 months, if they're charging like 1 CR to 2 CR, and they are requesting again the internal auditor from the same company, they will charge between to 50 lakhs to 60 lakhs. So the total budget from the same company, they're taking it as a 2 CR. Okay. So how they will company will accept it? There is a budget disadvantage, the one thing, and the main disadvantage, internal auditor will be separate and the external auditor will be separate.
So is there will be a conflict of interest because both are from, is that the
See,
main reason?
no. See, suppose you can say, take it as an example. From the PwC, we can say it as an internal auditor, and from the EY, we can say it as an external audit. This will be the same. In the same situations, if the internal auditor and the external auditor will be doing the same things, it is not acceptable. The report what the external auditor preparing by the company, it is not acceptable. I think so much you have understood, I think.
Yeah. So, got it. Yeah, got it, sir.
Yes. So, Vidhi,
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, guys? You can ask. So these are the basic class, guys.
సార్ హలో
Yes.
సార్ SOX కి SOC కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి సార్?
So Ram, like SOX is Sarbanes-Oxley Act and SOC is the Service Organization Control Report. Okay. So the course what we are learning here, it will be on the SOX and the ITGC. In under the SOX and ITGC, we will be having the one topic that is the SOC. So for the new who have joined today's section, this is our course details. The first section yesterday we have completed, it is demo, and this SOX introduction will be continuing from the tomorrow. And this is the next third one is the ITGC. It is our main part from the second onwards, SOX introduction and the ITGC. Under the ITGC, there are the 4 domains. One is access management, change management, incident management, IT operations. Okay. Under these 4 domains, we will be saying it that these are the IT general controls. ITGC is nothing but information technology general controls. Under this ITGC, we are having these 4 domains. Under these 4 domains, we will be working on the 22 to 23 controls. Okay, by using of these controls, where we will be implementing. Okay, we will be implementing in the applications. How we will be implementing? There are the standard policies and procedures are implemented by the organization. We will audit their standard policies and processes, what they have implemented by using these controls. And next is the walkthrough. Walkthrough is a different session, and what is the control and the types of control and how the risk assessment and the risk management and the phases of audit. It is a main thing. How many phases in the one financial year the audit will be working. Next, 13th one is live worksheet or the test sheet example for one control. So here live worksheet or test sheet example for one control means, so we are saying that we will do the audit, or we will do the test sheet. How we will do it? By based on this based on this worksheet. So next is a theoretical concept, exception handling and the 3 lines of defense, SOC reports, COBIT and COSO frameworks, and project. For the project, we will learn here it's a real-time scenario. 13th one and the 18th one and the 19th one, it will be the real-time project. Okay. And in the middle of the phase, how it will works. From starting to ending, we will see all the concepts here. So next is the basics of ITAC controls, guys. So ITGC and between the ITAC compared to the ITGC, ITAC is the little bit advanced. So we will learn about the ITAC also. ITAC is nothing but information technology application. ITGC and the ITAC, we will be having the mock sections and the interview questions classes. If suppose the classes will be 9:30 to 10:30, the timing, Monday to Friday, we will be having the sessions. Monday to Thursday, we will be discussing all the topics. On the Friday, we will be having the interview question discussion and the mock sessions. Okay, so what we have learned for the past 4 days, we will be having the sessions here. On that time, you can ask any doubts, you can clear your issues, what you are facing. So this is our course details and the course structure. Here you will not miss any part. When you are working in the real time also, this is the process how we are explaining here. There is no any change, guys. Okay, for compared to the other technologies, they will be using some other tools and all the things. Here we will be using only the MS Office tools. That is also mainly three things. One is Excel and the one is Word and the one is PowerPoint. Only these three things. And for the communication purpose, we will be using in the Teams when we have joined in the organization, and for the communication for the Teams and the Outlook. There is no any other tools will not be using.
సార్ ఈ ఈఆర్పితోనే పని ఏముండదా సార్?
Sorry.
ఈఆర్పి ఉంటుంది కదా సార్,
Yes.
ఈఆర్పి అప్లికేషన్తోని పని ఏముండదా సార్ దీంట్లో?
See, that is a application doing audit for one application, that is a ERP, enterprise resource planning, that we will be considering it as a SAP application we will be taking here.
అంటే నౌకరీలో చూసిన ఈఆర్పి అని ఉంది.
See, ERP, that only I am saying, Ram. So ERP is the SAP application. In the 19th point, doing audit for one application, we are picking as a SAP. SAP is the enterprise resource planning. In the SAP, we will be having all the domains.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Sir, will you guide for resume also, like what all we need to add or remove, or just the
Yes.
walkthrough?
So we will help for the resume also. What you need to add in the Naukari when you're adding your resume into the Naukari, what technical skills you need to update, what the main points you need to update, what is the description, what is the main objective in your profile. We will help out you in this all things.
Okay, thank you.
So, and the next we will go to the more advanced guys. So when we have learned this ITGC or any ITAC or this, okay, we can do the certifications. Why we need to do the certifications means, if you are doing the certifications, our resume will become the weightage. Two guys, one is 2.5 years of experience, another one is also 2.5 years of experience. Okay, one guy is handling any certification, another is not, he is not having any certification. The first, they will prefer the candidate for the certifications. Okay, they will check the based on the interview also and the certification also. Why the certification is valid in the package, guys? It's not picking for the recruiting the employee, but it is valid for the package. Suppose for the same 2.5 year of guys, he is getting like 7 LPA. If he is having the certification, he can demand, I have done this certification, I know this knowledge, I am having this. So he can demand up to 10 to 11 for the 2.5 year. Okay, so what are the basic certifications? There are the two basic certifications. One is ISO 27001 2019. It's a lead auditor. It's a ISMS, Information Security Management System. And the next ISO 27701 2019, lead auditor, data privacy. Okay, and CISA, CPA, CISM. So CISA is the, so Somesh is speaking something like ISACA. Okay, so ISACA is for the audit people. It is a main earth for us as a auditors. CISA is the Certified Information System Auditor, guys. If anyone is handling the CISA, their packages will be more than 17 lakhs. Okay, they will not bother about their experience. For the CISA certificate, it has a value. And the CPA, it is a Certified Public Accountant, and the CISM, Certified Information Security Manager. So for, if you want to take these certifications, you can go with these first two certifications. One is a lead auditor, another one is a data privacy. Okay, so for this batch, we are starting to, after this, we are including this data privacy classes also. Okay, so within the 45 days, we will be having the data privacy session also, and you will understand the basic sections of the data privacy. And after that, we will refer to the another institute. Okay, so the certification for this lead auditor and the data privacy cost will be the, it might be around between 25 to 30K, guys, for this certification. We will not taking any money. Okay, it is a separate certification institute. We have tied up with them. They will give the certifications for you. There you will be having the online sessions, and they will give the recording classes, and for the exam also they will help for your exam. It's your wish, but from our side, we are including the data privacy basics also. In the previous slide, we have included the basic ITAC controls also. Here, we will be including the data privacy also. What is data privacy, and what is the difference between this ITGC and the data privacy, and all the things we will be covering in this data privacy for the last 5 to 10 classes. It will be helpful when you are going for the interview also. If they are asking any data privacy questions also, I know these basic things, sir. I am planning to do the certification on the data privacy. When I am doing it, so I can gain the more knowledge.
Sir, I have a doubt. Is this data privacy and ISO 27001, is this part of our, as in the current course, or is this a separate course which you will be doing after this batch?
See, like this, it is a separate course. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
So these separate certification courses. So before to that, what we are thinking and what we are planning means, we are having the some certification institutes with us,
Mm-hmm.
and for this batch onwards, we are planning to take this data privacy basic classes.
Correct,
Okay.
correct. Yes.
So when we have taken the data privacy basic classes, if they are referred to certificate, if they need to do the certification, they will know the understand the basic knowledge of this,
Mm-hmm.
and it's their wish. They need to do the certification
Okay,
or not.
okay, okay. Can I ask what is the certification body? Is it CPG or BSI or like is it what's the institute?
So it's a institute. It is a Exemplar Global something that is there.
Okay, Exemplar Global. Right, right, right. Okay, okay,
Yes.
sir.
So I
Okay.
think it is a best institute only. So for the
Yes, yes,
certifications.
yeah. Okay, okay, sir. All right.
So why I am to 5 experience, if you have weightage of these certifications. Okay, see, the frankly speaking, when you need these certifications also, nowadays, if you are paying amount also, you will be getting the certification within 1 day, only for these two, and remaining bottom of the three, We need to struggle for those. It is from the Isaka chapter. So any the silence from the session, I think all people got understood. And who are from the, see, the people who from this not from the IT background or any other background, so don't get fear on this, okay? We are not learning here any rocket science. So it is a easy technology what we are learning. Okay, so don't think that we are learning something. Okay, so it's a easiest technology to crack within 1 month, guys. So when you have listen the classes, after the classes, you can sit for the half an hour and you can prepare for your notes, and you can take it as a challenge for the 1 month. After the 1 month, you will be having the good jobs. So now the competition is increasing more on these audits. Before the 3 to 4 years, there is no any competition.
Sir, we yesterday briefly touched upon related to AI. So just got one more doubt related to that. So is there a possibility that we can create AI bots to just the test the control and do the audit?
No,
Just want to
it's
know
not a
your views.
possible.
Yeah.
See, suppose, Somesh, so there are the few applications, okay? So you need to take the evidences from that application and you need to test it. So suppose
Mm.
one application is working in the one other way, it will not be work as a same application evidence rate.
Okay. But for a company who is using 10 applications, so for that 10 bots, we can create and test the controls for the same.
No, how? See, if they need to develop the boats, okay,
Mhm.
first of all, they need to invest on that.
Correct.
Before investing them only, it is a manual work for the 1 year, like for the 3 months or the 4 months, the audit, how they will take. Comparing to that much cost, it is less only. It is a one-time investment, okay, fine. Sometimes in every organization, they will not be using the same application, right?
Yes, correct.
It might be disabled after the few years. On that time, what they will take, what they will suggest, what they will do, the boot is lost, right?
Mhm.
And how many people are interested to join in this ITGC course, guys?
Roshan, myself, Leela. I'm interested to join.
Yeah.
Yeah, me also.
Sir, I'm interested to join as well.
So
I'm
who
in.
are yes, who are presented now, and there are like total 6 members are interested to join, right?
Yes.
Okay. So any doubts from your any doubts from your side? Yes, Rahul, you have raised your hand.
Nothing. I'm just mentioning I'll be joining this group.
Yes, okay. See, and the one thing I'm saying from the starting onwards, compared to the other technologies, this is the easiest technology to get the job also with the high packages. Here, as an auditor, what we will do for the entire organization, we will apply in these general controls. Why I am saying for the entire organization means for entire organizations, in IT organizations, we will be using the applications. For those applications, for few of the applications, it will be responsible for the financial. When it is responsible for the financial, we will take that applications and we will implement the general controls. When we are implementing the general controls, so we will come to know the what application in this organization, sorry, what the solutions they are presenting to the other vendors, how the organization is working. Okay, suppose some people will say that we will do the startup, we will do the startup. They will have the amount and the investment and all the things, but they don't have the plan and the architecture how they need to do the startup. How organization is established. Some okay, suppose you have joined in this course, like you have joined in any other organization. How your access been implemented. Okay, when you are joining into the organization, the first step will be the your onboarding. How they will do the onboarding, from which tool they will be accessing you, how they will verify the documents. It is a interesting, guys. We will not depend on being dependent on the one thing. Okay, suppose if you are working on the Java technology or the Python technology, we will be using of the Java and the Python. Okay, it's up to that. We have developed of the code. They have given the one functional requirement. We have developed it, and we need to close it by within 2 months or the 3 months. But in this auditing, we will see all type of technologies and all type of solutions, why they are using, how it is interlinked with the each one, how payroll process is working with the HR is working with the financial, how they are working, how it is interlinked. So trust me, so I will give the 100% knowledge from my careers of experience, what I am having. You can connect with me personally also when you have joined in this. No issues from my side. If you are not understanding in the classes, if you required any special class, I am comfortable with this Telugu, Hindi, English. So all are from north side or south side?
I'm from Mumbai, sir.
Myself, Hyderabad.
I'm from Hyderabad too.
Okay.
Bangalore, sir.
Yeah, I think only Vidhi is from the Mumbai.
Yes, sir. Which is not north. it is Western India. A lot of people from South say that North Mumbai is North. So it's Western India. I'm from Mumbai.
No problem, guys. There is no any racism or any cultural. Okay, so like don't feel it is a class. We need to be like this only. No, you can unmute yourself and you can enjoy the sections. If you are asking more doubts, I will get the interest to answer you.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So from the tomorrow onwards, we will go to the main topics that what we have mentioned in our course title, that is ITGC and the SOX. How ITGC will works, why SOX came, what is SOX. We will discuss all the things. Okay. So the class will be at the tomorrow at the same time. It is a 9:30. Sorry for this. Today I'm having the some meeting, internal meeting, so it's got delayed.
Okay, sir. So once the
If
classes will
yes,
start, it will be daily for 9:30.
yeah. So the timing will be on the. It might be 9 to 10 or 9:30 to 10:30. The institute people will speak with you guys. If any for tomorrow also, if any time changes, they will intimate you.
Okay, sir.
Sir, if you don't mind, create a group, sir, so that it is easy to mention the time in the group. Because today itself I have joined by 9 o'clock, sir. Since from 9 o'clock I was waiting for.
Sorry.
No issues, but I am giving the suggestions, that's it.
Yes, yes, understood, understood. I think you are having the institute number, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So if you don't have any doubts, I will stop the recording.
Sir, tomorrow, from
Yes.
tomorrow, the meeting link will change, right? So the institute will directly contact us, or we have to tell them that we will be joining the course and the rest of the formalities.
I think they will update all these things. I think from the Thursday onwards, I think the link will be changing, I think.
Okay.
I too don't know exactly. And for the fees purpose, discuss with them. And you need to pay for the starting registration fees. After the
Okay.
15 days, they will ask for the full amount. No
Okay.
worries.
Okay.
They will
Okay.
not ask for this half amount also when they have started the course.
Okay. Okay, sir.